Party political leaders, candidates, campaigners and their supporters are passionate about ensuring that every voter turns out for their party to ensure electoral victory and success on election day. And broadcasters, written media, news sites want to be the first to predict the election result. There are, however, a number of offences that all these groups should be aware of. Here's 6 offences committed on election day. Remember to subscribe to Community Legal Education so you can be the first to watch our election law series. Before the election day, 8 common offences part 1 and 5 common election funding offences part 3. 1. It is an offence if you vote as someone else, whether that person is living, dead or fictitious, either by post or in person at a polling station. This is even if you know that person is away and how they would have voted. If you aren't able to cast your vote in person, you can have someone you trust to cast your vote for you in a particular election known as an officially appointed proxy. 2. It is an offence when you know or have reasonable grounds for supposing that your appointment as proxy is no longer in force. For example, the person you acted as an officially appointed proxy has died. 3. It is an offence if you vote as an officially appointed proxy while the person is under legal incapacity. This would apply to a family member or friend who you act as an officially appointed proxy knowing that person is under a legal incapacity to vote. 4. It is an offence to vote or attempt to vote more than once in the same election. This applies to both voting in person and by post. 5. Every official, including party officials involved in the electoral process, should be aware of the secrecy of the ballot in the polling station. If you are inside or outside a polling station on election day, it is an offence to ask someone how they voted before the poll has closed. 6. On election day, it is prohibited to publish before the poll closes any statement relating to the way in which voters have voted at the election, where that statement is or might reasonably be taken to be based on information given by voters after they have voted, or any forecast as to the result of the election which is or might reasonably be taken to be based on information so given. Broadcasters and news sites, and in particular journalists live on election day outside polling stations, should be very wary of predicting the election outcome nationally or regionally before the polls closed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you can watch more videos on the election law series and many more videos. Please donate via our website www.clevideos.co.uk so we can continue to make more legal video explainers. Please speak to a solicitor if you need legal advice, and may the justice be with you.